I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. So from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy, mistrust. I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. So from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy.
Starting is colder, embarking on older and better. I'm over the cover, remotely endeavored, emotionally alive and thriving. Ever relevant ties of mind, that which passed and have been detached and severed alive. Not now or ever caught sound in letters. You boss down the veterans. Parking your rover, sparking a known range. Got the cartridge so flame, it'll scar for the whole day. Part of role play where you could care to or rare you in a cold way. Shapes and molds gray, the paper's so safe. It rotated the station, so babe, your tail wagon isn't still patterned in no way. Don't hate a known face, you too confused Coldplay. So controlled, my rope sprayed, but I hold. Wait to do snowflakes.
I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. Though from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy, mistrust. I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. So from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy, mistrust.
Apologies and wallowing, or I'll believe to circuit it. I know what my purpose is, so all I need is worthlessness. All I need perturbed the shit, took it out and murdered it in certain sense of perfect win. I can't wait to hurt again. My God, my tourniquet. Burn me where I'm sure to earn the shit. Punishment is sure legit. Run the engine, turn the pins, turning into work again. House without the furnishings. I remember her and him. That sight was like last night. Tried dismembered words and limbs. I'd rather pass right out from a drag pipe. Sad that I'm sad right. I blast my violent ends that we're concerned within. Pass the hash to the gab guy. I potato mash for cash so you can half rise. I'm eternity with a burner, cause even as I with higher hopes. If you had to try the dope, you would've liked to smoke.
I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. So from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy, mistrust. I wanted to fall, but instead I got hiccups. I'm under control of the steering wheel pickup. Though from girl, I know that I fucked up this once. I guess that's the blessing, the jealousy, mistrust.